me, help me sing it out.
Good morning, y'all. So, y'all seen I went to Dunkin'. I just got me a strawberry smoothie, and I got me a turkey sausage, egg and cheese croissant. So yeah, I'm about to head to Target and see what I'm gonna do from there. But I'll probably end up going home because your girl's tired. It's like 8 in the morning right now, almost 9, and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I figure out what I'm finna do. If you're new, make sure you like up this video and subscribe to your girl's channel, because this is SHAUNAAB's channel and this is the place to be. And I'm on the highway right now, so I'm about to go. Well, I have been sitting in traffic for like a good 10 minutes, beeping every which way. People don't know how to drive. Y'all hear the beeping. Like, yeah, that beeping is not making the cars go faster. What's happening? I'm just trying to get off this road because this traffic is thick. What it's like, okay, it's just too much going on. People cutting in front of people. Like, this is how accidents happen. We need not to, you know? Let me know if y'all do traffic or y'all don't do traffic. I'm the type to sit in traffic if I have music. Or sometimes I like to have like a clear mind and like sit in traffic, it don't bother me. But on like hot irritational days, yeah, it's gonna bother me. But other than that, traffic don't really bother you, girl. Like, I just be sitting here chilling, like you hear people beeping, but me, I'm not beeping. I'm not in a rush. Or if I'm in a rush sometimes, then I'll be, but sorry about the light, y'all. I'll tell you my phone crack and everything, so bear with me. It's gonna be blurry, smudge, I don't know, but your girl's still trying to get out these vlogs. So I just threw a little Now I'm Good t-shirt on today with some leggings and my little sandals. My hair back in a ponytail. I'm looking like a dude, like.
They gotta ask it. I did them all now. I buy the caskets. You ain't gotta worry about her. Shorty straight. Been chasing her for 2 days. First 48.
Yeah, we made it to Target, right? But look at the cute little skirts they have. This is super cute. And fall is coming, so these are definitely like fall colors. This is super cute. How much are they? Let me see. Okay, 28. For $28, girl. But this is super cute. I like the little skirts and stuff that they have. Those pants is cute. Those jeans in the back. Let me get a little closer. These jeans is too cute. Oh, I need these. Oh, this cute. I need this. They got cute little stuff in Target. I used to shop here during COVID all the time. This was my store. Like, oh, I see this. I think I've seen something like this on Shein. I love how they put out all the new stuff. This is super, super cute. We ain't getting none of this, but let's look at this chair. Okay. Okay, Target. Or something. This is super cute. Oh, I'm stuck. Per usual. It's a cute little ceramic vase. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is adorable. This I love. How much is this for? $35. This cute. This is cute. This is too cute. But while she there, let me go get my stuff. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Oh. I would just like 2 swabs. Okay, I'm gonna just reach in here and get it for myself.
They're right there.
Yeah.
The blue one?
Yeah. Thank you. So these ones is real good to use. Smells super good. And I just need a deodorant. A suave woman. I think it's this one that smells really good for the Dove. Or I think it's this one, y'all. I think. But these smell really good. I just can't use this cap or the purple one, wherever that is. But yeah. I love good comforters. Look what we got. Look what they got. Look. Oh wait, I don't like the material. Damn. We're in the baby section. It's so hard to find a good one. So we're just gonna get this. We're gonna get one. Are they the same size? Yeah, we're just gonna get one. Never knew we had a mochi donut thing in the area. How you even get in here? Oh, that's cute. Hello. Pick up for SHAUNAAA. We're back, guys. Gonna get some more food. The pickup is secured. Okay. Nacho fries. Yeah. I mean, 30 minutes in traffic. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I'm getting ready to take my mom to work. And I got like 2 or 3 things to do for today. But it's quick. So I just got ready. I'm going to show you my outfit. A little more basic. I don't be dressing up, y'all know that. But when I do, stay tuned. I already got a Nike shirt, Nike shorts. And I got some, what I got for my birthday. Some Billie Eilish. Oh, yeah, and I know y'all seen this in my other vlog. This, got to try it out, and it's super cute. Got a little bear on it. Why not? But I messed it up, and I can't use it, and it's full. But yeah, y'all, let's get this day started. All right, y'all, I'm here. I got on my little Nike shorts. Can y'all see it? It's matching with the top. But yeah, and I got on the little, it's early in the morning right now. It's like 7 in the morning. And today is August 14th. So, 2024. So, good morning, guys. We're starting our day off good. I'm literally going outside, come right back home. They're going outside later in the day. So, yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all soon. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl SHAUNAAB, and y'all are due for a proper introduction. This is the place to be, and this is my channel, so welcome. If you're new, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and just tune in with your girl. And yeah, this is a weekly vlog. It's turning in from a day in my life to a weekly vlog. So let's see what the week has in store for us. Okay.
I think I just scared.
Welcome back to my supporters and subscribers. You're in for a treat, and let's get it.
You can go.
Later in the day, and we're grocery shopping. You see all the healthy stuff in the car right now, and then we're gonna get some stuff for the beach tomorrow. Alright, y'all, came outside on a late night walk, and look, we in the Bronx right now, right? Look at, ooh, look at the city. Look at the city way across the water. Beautiful.
vitamin S. Y'all not get no less cause it could distress them. All them vitamin S. Frustrated so she have to sense. Don't worry yourself, you need to be on the up, just call me. I'm like,
Y'all made it to the beach. Look at the sand. I like this. They got an outside bar. Oh yeah, we at the beach. We at the beach. We got some bread, no chips, no dip. Yeah, we're here. These seagulls are out of control. Out of control. Ooh, hell no. Whoa. Ginger ale, salt and pepper, mayo, water.
That's them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know the OG. Them know me. I know the trophy, so you don't need me, no. Just notice and notice. I did
Oh yeah, so I gotta cover up just like this little. Supposed to be a dress, but we just gonna keep it as like a top. So.
How about that?
Because today I'm dressed up. Like what? I just put on a little simple dress from Shein and some slippers. Okay. We got the food. All right. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I went to the beach yesterday. Your girl had a ball. I felt so relieved. I feel relieved when I get in water, but it's the afternoon. Today is August 16th, Friday, August 16th, 2024. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit the road and I'm gonna see y'all later. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's your girl. Yesterday you guys see me go to the beach. I had a great time and I just want to give you guys a little vlog. Today is August 16th, 2024 on a Friday, and you guys are receiving this video real soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I hope you guys, you know, just vibed out with me, rocked out with me. If you made it this far, go ahead, like, share, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I thank you guys for tuning in with me. As you can see, this is the wrap up. The vlog is now coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog so much. But if you didn't, it's okay, because I don't know what I've done throughout this whole entire vlog, except really go to the beach. But it's time to wrap it up. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see y'all soon.